Trying to figure out moving prices can feel confusing at first. One company gives one estimate, another gives a different number, and suddenly you're wondering what you're actually paying for. Let's break it down in a simple way. The size of your move is one of the biggest factors. A studio apartment usually costs less to move than a full house because there are fewer boxes, fewer furniture pieces, and less time needed for loading and unloading. Local moves are often priced differently from long-distance moves. For a short move, the cost may depend more on time and labor. For a longer move, mileage, fuel, route, and shipment weight can play a bigger role. If you need movers to pack, carry heavy furniture, disassemble items, or handle stairs, that can affect the final price. More labor usually means more time, and more time can increase the total cost. Packing services can be helpful if you're busy, moving quickly, or dealing with fragile items. Just remember that professional packing, boxes, padding, and specialty materials may be added to your moving estimate. Large, heavy, or delicate items can change the quote. Things like pianos, safes, oversized furniture, antiques, or fragile electronics may need extra care, equipment, or additional movers. Moving from a building with stairs, tight hallways, limited parking, or a long walk from the truck can make the job more complicated. Easy access usually helps the move go faster and smoother. Moving prices can also change depending on your schedule. Weekends, end-of-month dates, holidays, and peak moving season may be busier, so planning early can give you more options. Before booking, ask what's included in the estimate. Check if the quote covers labor, transportation, packing materials, fuel, storage, and any possible extra fees. A clear quote helps you compare moving companies more fairly. The cheapest option is not always the best fit. Look at experience, services offered, communication, scheduling, and whether the company can handle your specific type of move. Understanding moving prices helps you prepare your budget with more confidence. For more moving cost guidance and helpful planning information, visit 3movers.com.